friends, now we are going to continue our project. The ledger was remaining, and now we have created this SQL query. After just we don't need this one so much big. Just make it stars from. Uh, I'll show you example. As in the previous tutorial I've seen, I've just included only one column. This one. Now in the SQL query, I've just simply included the expense particular. If you open in particular expense, there is a table name dot particular expense dot particular. Here it is particular. So that the table I've in column name I've included in this, and 0 as a credit, because expense to make, here I will show. In the general ledger we want date, type, credit and debit. As income it is a credit type, and customer deposit it is a credit type, and customer deposit vendor deposit is a debit type, and expenses is a debit type. On that basis, uh, expenses it is a debit type. So I've included expenses amount as a debit type, and we have to include credit as a 0 as a credit. So it will display, here it is, credit as a 0. And the second thing, like this only, customer deposit table, I will include customer name and customer cash amount as a credit, and debit, there is nothing debit in the customer deposit, so 0 as a debit, because in the union uh, there is a concept in the union that every column should be same column with the same data type. As you know, in the expenses there is no credit type, so we have to for the similar name I put 0 as a credit, here also 0 as a credit. In the customer deposit, here deposit I will make in one column, here it is deposit. Now it looks similar. Here income and customer deposit are credit type, so credit type amount and their credit type amount, and debit, there is no debit included in that, so 0 as a debit, to make common column in the union, otherwise union will throw an error. And here 0 as a credit type to match the column, and here also 0 as a credit type to match the column, number of the column, and expenses as a debit. After that we will get this type of, now just we have to call gdate view over here, order by. Okay, now just try to run it. Here it is general, I think spelling is wrong, general. Okay, here it is gdate, missing operator, gdate, I think something is missing, order by gdate descending, DSC descending. Okay, here it is. Now other thing we have to do that it should be filtered by date time, and second thing we have to make it as a full size. So just first of all close it. Now we want where g date between hash. Okay, let's copy and paste from here it is, I think so. Just click on view. Here it is. So okay, where it is. Okay, just pin it, and over here just copy and paste. Okay, remove. Okay, now just try to run it. Okay, one more thing is remaining about making the full size. This one. Actually, it was. Auto size. Okay, here it is. I think so. Yes, fill. Auto size column mode fill. Now just run it. Actually, we have to take a crystal report. Okay, it will not show. Okay, 10 October. Now 10 October, 9 October. We'll check 9 October. Sorry. Uh, we will input. We will input another. We will take 9 October. Abdul Hamid view. Okay, it's opening amount, sale amount. Okay, we'll put 400. Enter. 450. Just save it and go to general ledger. Now we don't require breakpoint, so just disable it. Okay, it is taking 10 October. Okay, there is something problem, I think so. It should take okay, the same means today's date, I think so. We will check another thing. Distributor. Okay, 8 Zibershank 300. Okay, it is storing in the wrong date, current date, I think so. In the save, Let's check first of all customer distributor. Okay, date now. Actually, I'm storing date now. It should be on the selected date. On this date, what is the date? Just stop it. Metro date time one. Copy it and over here. Dot value. Okay. And in also it was distributor. Now we want customer. And just copy and paste. Okay, now try to run. Now, first of all, we'll input on 5th of October. Enter. Okay, now it is saying on the 5th of October. And let's check into the reports general on 5th. Here also 5th. Okay, now it is showing. Now also it will show of distributor. We'll select 7. Sabir Sheikh. And I'll insert 500. Just save it. And go to the general ledger. Now 7. Okay, 57. Credit is 0, debited 500 because we have given 500 to the distributor and we have the customer deposit 100 rupees. Now if we'll check from January 1st. Okay, some problem I think so. Okay. Okay, let's check what's the problem. It's not showing. I think the date format issue is there. Okay, so it is 18 to 20. Okay, 20. There's something I think so problem. Uh, we are not storing into the correct format, therefore it is not showing. In the next tutorial we will see. Okay, thanks for watching.